Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to check a user account location on Instagram. So you can do this for any account on Instagram, right? So what you want to do, guys, you want to find an account, right? So as you can see, I have an account right here in the middle of my page here, right? So I'm going to click on this FCB Fans Nation. You want to go ahead and click on the name there, guys, and once you're on the profile of that account, you want to go ahead and click on the three dots on the uppermost right hand side. Now once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on about this account, and you will see the account based in, and you can see the location that it is currently in India. Now just a point to make, guys: if the account is currently blocked or currently private, you are not able to see this information. I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to click on the search option there in the lowermost right hand side, and I'm going to simply search for my account here. As you can see, it's already showing. So if I click on my account here, guys, you can see that my account is currently closed, right? It's currently private. And if you click on the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, then you click on about this account, you realize you're not able to see that information, but you can only see when I join. So very easy stuff there, guys. I'm going to go ahead and try a different account. So let's go ahead and type, for example, 50 Cent. Just for example, you will find 50 Cent official page. I'm going to click on that, and let's click on the three dots on the uppermost right hand side about this page. And here you can see account based in the United States. Very easy stuff, guys. So you can do this for any account whatsoever. Let's go ahead and type Messi, and here you can find Messi page. Go ahead and do that. Do the same thing. Click three dots on the right hand side about this page, and here you can see that Messi account here was created in Italy. That's very interesting, right? So that's how you can easily find it, guys. Very easy and very simple. You can also try this for the team Messi as well. This is another one of Messi's page. Go ahead and click on that. Three dots as well about this page, and you can see this one was based in Germany. Very easy stuff, guys. Really hope you found this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well if you're new, and let me know in the comments below if you have any question whatsoever. Thank you very much, and see you next time.